All right, let's talk custom scrubs for healthcare teams. We're going way beyond the basics today.
So you gotta ask yourself, are your team's uniforms actually built for the realities of clinical work?
Think about it. It's fashion versus function. One is for looks, the other is for surviving a 12-hour shift. So what's the answer? Well, it's a totally different way of thinking. B2B custom manufacturing.
Okay, so what does B2B custom even mean? It's about engineering scrubs specifically for your organization. First off, it means consistent sizing, so everyone looks sharp, and reordering is actually simple. And it's about the fabric, right? We're talking tough, medical-grade stuff, made for the daily grind.
Then you've got your branding, custom logos and labels that build a powerful professional identity.
And of course, it means you get consistent quality in bulk. No surprises, just reliable production. Now let's get into the fabric tech. These aren't just buzzwords, they're about real-world performance.
And that tech is what makes this possible. A tough shift, a harsh wash, and they're ready to go again.
There's a name for all this customization, by the way. It's called private label manufacturing.
And the process itself? Super straightforward. You go from your concept all the way to bulk production.
So who's this really for? Pretty much any organization that values consistency and orders at scale.
This all boils down to a huge mindset shift. You're not just finding a supplier, you're finding a partner.
See, a real partner gets your B2B needs. They offer reliable communication and support for the long haul.
So it really makes you rethink things. Is your uniform program just another cost? Or is it a strategic investment?